Keep watching to see how to make these two different versions of this leaf floral design thank you card. All you'll need to make the second version is some rhinestones. Shown here and linked below are all of the supplies that you'll need to make the rhinestone-free version. I chose to use 2 different thicknesses of pen. However, this is entirely optional. If you just have one pen laying around, that will definitely work. The first step, as always, is to take your pencil and draw out the design. There's a free template in the description box below if you wish to use it. Once you have everything drawn out in pencil and you're happy with the design and placement of everything, switch over to your thin black pen. If you're using 2 black pens, pick the thinner of the 2 and simply trace over all of the pencil lines that you just previously drawn. I started from the left and worked to the right because of course I'm right-handed, and therefore that really eliminates me dragging my hand over the lines that I've just drawn, and therefore eliminates or at least prevents me smudging some of the line work. Once you have the base kind of floral design drawn, the next step is to add in the lettering. Here I switched over to a slightly thicker black pen. This is a Faber-Castell pen in size M, and I simply again just traced over the pencil lettering lines that I had previously drawn. And once you've done that, version 1 of this card is complete. You can leave it like this for a really clean, elegant, and simple thank you card. However, if you wish to add a little bit of extra sparkle and dimension, all you really need are some rhinestones and glue shown here. These rhinestones are nice because they're a little bit smaller than the ones that I normally use, so they don't add quite as big and bold of a sparkly look, but I really like that for this card. And so simply all that I did was I took the rhinestones and I placed them where I wanted them on the card before I glued them on. I chose to use pink kind of on that leftmost flower there. I kind of alternated green rhinestones on the main leaf in the center, and then I put clear rhinestones on the leaf on the right side of the card. Once I was happy with the placement of everything, I simply took my fast drying glue and glued everything on. And once the glue is dry, version 2 of this card is complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and try making one of these 2 versions yourself. Thanks so much for watching.